Okay, on this problem, we need to solve and graph the solution set of the inequality. So first we need to simplify and work this out. So on the left, 8x minus 10, it's as simple as we can go. But on the right, I can see we've got -2 that needs to be distributed into both. So we'll still have 8x minus 10 is less than or equal to, still 4 there. And then we have -2 times 6 will be -12. -2 times -3 is a positive 6x. So remember that a negative, when we have this negative times another negative, that's going to give us a positive. That was a really common mistake I saw. Okay, now we want to simplify again on that right side, so we'll still leave it as 8x minus 10 on the left, but 4 minus 12 will give us a -8 plus 6x. Okay, now let's get our variable terms on the same side. I'm going to minus 6x on each side. So those cancel. 8x minus 6x gives us 2x. Minus 10 is less than or equal to -8. Okay, now I'm going to add the 10 on each side. So those cancel. I have 2x is less than or equal to 2. I'm going to divide by 2. So x is less than or equal to 1. So that's our first part. That's solving this inequality. That was our answer. Okay, now we need to graph this. So we're going to be a closed circle at 1. Why is that a closed circle? Well, it's because it's equal to underneath. It's less than or equal to. And so we'll have a closed circle there at 1. Now x is less than or equal to 1. So basically x is smaller than 1. It's all these numbers smaller. So it's going to go this direction. X is less than or equal to 1. Okay, now we need to write the solution in interval notation. So if you remember interval notation, we always write the smaller number first and the bigger number second. So we'll start down at -infinity because that's going on forever. And I have a parenthesis around that. I always have a parenthesis around infinity. Then it's going to go up to 1. Now will 1 have parenthesis or bracket? Well, it's back up to this equal sign and this solid circle. It's included. We want that 1 included, and so it's going to be a bracket. So that will be your final answer. Make sure you do each step carefully, solve, and then graph, and then make sure your interval notation reflects your graph.